guys, welcome to Kia's Fusion Kitchen. There's always a sense of pride, joy and satisfaction about anything that's homemade. So this is for all those lovely people who have an undying desire to bake something nice for their loved ones even when they do not possess an oven yet. So today we'll make the famous Karnataka special Benne biscuits again, but without an oven and in a kadhai. I will be providing lot of tips during the video on how to bake perfectly without an oven, so do watch till the end. To watch the oven version, you can click on the info icon on the top right corner of this video. Let's begin. Making the dough for the biscuits is very simple. Add the powdered sugar and ghee to the flour and mix until everything comes together into a smooth ball. If your dough feels a little dry, add quarter teaspoon of ghee at a time and try to get a smooth dough. Now to make the pedas, pinch a little amount of the dough and place it in between your palms and form a smooth round ball without any cracks. Tip number 1. For even circulation of air and hence even baking, ensure the container having the biscuits does not cover the whole space in the kadhai. Hence, you see, though I'll have to bake it twice, I am using 2 small plates. If you have a plate that can hold all the biscuits without taking up more than 3/4 of the space inside the kadhai, then go ahead and use it. Just make sure the biscuits are spaced properly cause they will rise and expand a bit. With this measurement, I have made 6 biscuits about 10 grams each. Now the baking part. I have a 3-burner stove. I am baking it on the smallest burner on medium heat. Now depending on the size of your kadhai, burner and flame, the bake time will vary. So try to ensure you place a medium-sized kadhai on the smallest burner and not a big one, and keep the flame on the lowest. Tip number 2. Just like we preheat the oven, we need to preheat the kadhai. So on medium heat, place the kadhai and a stand like this to preheat for 5 to 7 minutes. My stand is not fitting properly in the kadhai, but that's okay. Also, I have used an old and worn out kadhai as I didn't want to spoil the good ones. The baking container should not be put to direct heat, that is, it should not touch the kadhai on any side, hence the stand. Now place your hand over the kadhai, and if you feel hot, then the kadhai is preheated and ready. Place the biscuits plate on the stand in the kadhai and cover with a lid. Now let it bake for 12 to 13 minutes. Please do not open the lid at least until 11 minutes. After 12 minutes, the biscuits are done. We don't want the top to brown, so this is perfect. Switch off the flame and take them out using some heat-proof material and allow them to cool completely. Our perfect bakery-style Benne biscuits in the kadhai are ready. I hope you do give this a try and let me know how it went for you in the comment section below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and please don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching.